I'll reveal 5 money-making facts that you can start using today to boost your income. Making money can be tough, especially when you're not sure where to start or what strategies actually work. Many of us have been there trying out different methods only to find that they don't quite live up to the promise. The truth is there's a lot of misinformation out there about how to make money, and it can be hard to separate fact from fiction. One of the biggest misconceptions is that you need a lot of capital to start making money. That's just not true. There are plenty of ways to make money with little to no initial investment. Another misconception is that making money has to be complicated. Some people think you need to be a financial expert or have a special talent to earn extra cash. But the reality is, making money can be simpler than you think. People often struggle with finding the right opportunities, or they might not know how to take advantage of them. Others might be held back by their own mindset, struggling with self-doubt or fear of failure. It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind and feel like you're not making progress towards your financial goals. We've all been in situations where we feel like we're just not getting ahead, no matter how hard we work. It can be frustrating and demotivating. But the good news is there are certain facts about making money that can change your approach and help you achieve your financial goals. The first fact is that small actions can add up. For example, if you start a side hustle that earns you just $10 a day, that's $300 a month. It may not seem like a lot, but it's a start. The second fact is that leveraging your existing skills can be incredibly profitable. If you're good at writing, graphic design, or programming, there are people out there who will pay for your services. The third fact is that the internet has opened up a world of opportunities for making money. From online surveys to selling products on e-commerce sites, the possibilities are endless. The fourth fact is that making money is often about solving problems. If you can identify a problem that people are willing to pay to solve, you can create a business or offer a service that meets that need. For instance, if you're good at fixing things, you could start a repair service. The fifth fact is that it's often the smallest changes in your daily habits that can have the biggest impact on your finances. For example, cutting back on just a few unnecessary expenses each day can save you hundreds over time. Out of all these facts, the one that I think has the most impact is the power of compound interest. If you start saving and investing early, even small amounts can grow into a significant nest egg over time. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to build long-term wealth. To recap, the 5 money-making facts are: small actions can add up, leveraging your existing skills can be profitable, the internet offers numerous opportunities, making money often involves solving problems, and small changes in daily habits can have a big impact. These facts can help you shift your mindset and take action towards achieving your financial goals. If you've learned something new from this video, share your favorite money-making tip in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about how to boost your income and achieve financial freedom, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more insights and tips. Add subscribe to The Quiet Economy and press the bell icon now.